What's going on, guys? Chris here. So today we actually have another subscriber challenge. These lures are from a friend of the show, so I'm actually pretty excited to go ahead and fish all these. I've actually the only lure that in here that I've ever actually purchased myself before was actually a Panther Martin. However, it was different from this one, but so I don't think I'm probably going to be able to make it through all these lures today. I'm probably going to start with this little bluegill nemesis. It is by Getting Lucky Lures. They're a little Hellgramite imitation, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with this, and if I catch something on this, I'll probably start rotating through these. But I'm pretty excited to try all these lures out. Like I said, I've never tried any of these, so except for the Panther Martin, so I'm gonna go ahead, get rigged up, and get started. Alright, gotta give it cast number one. Super crystal clear water. So I actually walked out of the house today without, and just flapped out as soon as it hit the water. Looked like a redbreast. But yeah, I actually walked out the house today without my second memory card for my larger camera. So I either have to take my memory card out of my GoPro and rotate it back and forth, or just use my GoPro today. I like to have two angles running just because I think it looks better when you're filming. Keeps it more interesting to get more angles, but it's going to be a lot of work switching out back and forth. Oh, there we go. Fish on. Alright, first fish of the day. Green sunfish. Been fishing for 1 minute and 20 seconds. Well, I didn't expect to get a catch so quickly, so guess I'll cast this at least for 10 minutes and then probably move spots. So this is supposed to be a little Hellgramite imitation. Try to cast back near that tree. That's where I got the first one. And fish on. All right, another green. Another green sunfish. Get over here real quick. I'm gonna move spots, switch lures. Oh, right into the tree. That's great. Oop, no. There we go. Ah, shiner. Alright, got another shiner on this little Hellgramite. Gonna go ahead and switch spots now. I've been fishing for 6 minutes and 53 seconds at this point. Alright, I lied. One more cast over here. Then I'm gonna switch. Man, there's that big redbreast. I really would like to catch it. Alright, he's right under the tree. See if I can get back under the tree. There we go. Oh, I think that's it. Oh no, it's another big green sunfish, I think. Ooh. Big old green sunfish. It might not have been a redbreast, but I think this is what I was seeing. Alright, now we're moving spots for real. Alright, so I decided to switch to this power bait. This is Power Honeyworm. It's a 55 count. I've never tried these. They are red honeyworms. That's what they're labeled. Comes out all like one spaghetti noodle. I guess you break them at the segments. decided to go with these next just because I already had a jig head on. Probably try to knock the panther martin out next just because my luck with inline spinners is bad. That's probably going to be one of the more difficult ones. The other ones are going to be those crankbaits just because there's not too many big fish in here. Every once in a while I'll see a decent sized bass swimming around, but they're so finicky. There we go. Woo! Oh wow. First cast over here. It's like a, doesn't have that rough patch, but got a little bass. All right, that was literally my GoPro. It just says I've been recording for 30 seconds. So 30 seconds in this new spot. Got my first bass out of here. Let him go. I'm getting hit. Oh, missed it. Something else is going after it though. And I keep getting all these tiny strikes. Oh, fish on. Alright. Oh! Alright, little bluegill. I'm gonna go ahead and switch out to the panther martin next just so I can try to get through all these. Alright. Looks like perfect panfish size. Small game. Hopefully it doesn't take me an hour to get a fish on this. Oh! Ooh! Yes! Nice redbreast. Man. Woo! Nice redbreast on this, man. Alright. You got himself pretty good. Here's my hand. Let's let this guy go. It's the same place the bass went to hide. Oh. Something on? Something was on, I think. Oh no, something is on. Swimming towards me. Bluegill. Alright, fish number 2 on this little panther martin. Alright. Alright, so we have the creek hopper and the strike king minnow to go through. I'm gonna go ahead and try with the creek hopper. My faith in this, to be honest, is kind of low. I haven't had much success using these in the past. Let's see. Alright, so that initial cast, saw a bunch of fish come out and look at it. Oh, so I just swiped at it again. Oh, there we go. Come on, don't come off. Oh. Alright. Tiny green sunfish on this creek hopper. Nice. Oh, fish on. Alright, a green sunfish on the creek hopper. Time to switch out. Alright guys, I've only been fishing I've probably been here for about an hour now, or a little bit less than an hour, and I've gotten through, I think, 4 of these lures. So I only have one more to get through until I made it through all of them. So I'm going to go ahead and tie on that Strike King lure and try to get through that. Oh, fish on, finally. Oh, nice sized bass just came following this. Alright. Alright, challenge complete, man. 30 minutes into throwing this. Got this beautiful long ear. Alright guys, I made it through all these lures. I really didn't expect to. It would have been nice to have got some larger fish on this little Strike King crankbait. But anyways, hope you guys are having a great week. Thanks for watching. Tight lines. Subscribe if you haven't. Take care.